This is the sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the sound which we looked at in a previous video? The sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the sound. Now do it again, but this time produce a long sound instead. Well done! You just produced the sound. This sound was traditionally pronounced as a centering diphthong, which transitioned from U to Uwa. However, the symbol is a bit out of date because this sound is pronounced more like a long vowel sound in modern pronunciation. Obviously, in real conversation we don't produce the sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. During, secure, hurry, pure, Europe, rural, berry, liqueur. The sound is usually spelled with the letter U in combination with the letter R, but remember that the letter U may produce other sounds in other words. In modern pronunciation, the sound is increasingly replaced with the OR sound in high-frequency words, and the pronunciation of words such as your, poor, and sure is now considered standard. However, less frequent words such as mur, tourist, and cure are only partially merged, and they may be pronounced more, tourist, and cure depending on the speaker. If you're unsure which form to use, I recommend you check the pronunciation in a dictionary or imitate native speakers you know or trust. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. The rural mural is durable. European insurance is curious. The jury are furious with the security. The liqueur matured during the night. Bureaucracy is obscure and infuriating. Words that end with the sound usually contain the letter R, but the letter R is silent because it's not followed by a vowel sound. However, it may be followed by a vowel sound in connected speech if the next word starts with a vowel. In this case, the sound is inserted. For example, pure, pure iron. This is known as the linking R, and it's a way of linking words together in connected speech. I recommend you watch my previous video on linking for more information about this. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you use the sound in a sentence? Leave me some examples in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.